The next hair hack that I have is showing you how to use this Dreamweaver comb. We all try to create these consistent looks with our clients, and when we have these clients that want to have this beautiful, consistent blonde all around, you know, our foil clients, how do we get that real consistency with our highlights? Do we take the time to do all this and hopefully all the foils match up and the weaves match up? It's not always the case. The invention of this, like this type of a comb, the Dreamweaver from Framear, check this out. You take a section here, boom, pop it under there. You take your finger. I do have a man finger, so it's a little bit harder to grab. Then you pop it under here, and look, a beautiful, consistent highlight. And there are 3 different sizes for this, depending on the result that you're going for. Ooh la la.